operation nito, hindi daw ano, push lang ito, push mo lang. Hindi
Hindi sa kwan.
So at firefighting application, time is very much important. You know that. So just push it, it will lock automatically.
Quick disconnect.
Quick connecting.
Tapos pag disconnect mo, ano siya, pull o push?
Yeah, you need to pull it off.
Pull it, no?
When
Okay.
you want to disconnect, you need to just pull and pull it back. It will be disconnected.
Yeah, very fast.
Ito yung out.
Yes, sir.
Ito yung inlet. Tapos ito yung sa
Ito yung bibit-bitin mo kasama yung hose.
kasama yung hose.
Iko-connect yung hose dyan.
Ito yan eh. Ko-connect mo yan dito.
Oo.
Tama, di ba?
Tapos yung dulo ng hose naka-connect naman
Tapos
dito.
ito, ang dulo ng hose dito.
Oo, tapos yung isa naman iko-connect doon sa
Connect
fire
sa
hydrant.
fire hydrant o sa may pressure.
Yeah, so iko-connect yung hose din going to the fire
Tapos ito naman yung saan na may regulator nung 8FFF natin, sir.
hydrant. Ito.
Ayan din. Itong repeater. Dito mapipil.
Repeater.
Feeder, yung tank tank lid. No?
Okay.
Ito
Yes.
yung tank lid mo.
Oo.
Ito yung gamit mo. Very portable, mobile.
Yes.
Di ba? Kasi maganda rin may ganyan eh.
Yeah.
Alam mo dahil ano,
Kano?
Less than 200